Welcome back to the deep dive. If you're always looking for that edge for your business, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at something you probably scroll through every day, Facebook. But maybe you're not, fully using it. We're talking specifically about Facebook marketing for roofers, how you can actually use it to, dominate your local market. And I know what some of you might be thinking. Facebook? Really? Is that still a thing? And the answer is a big yes. It's definitely where your ideal customers, homeowners, spend a lot of time. Our mission today, show you how to turn those casual thumb scrolls into real roofing opportunities, serious leads.
Yeah, and what's really interesting, I think, is that it goes way beyond just having a page up. It's about being strategic. Using those Facebook tools deliberately, not just for likes, but for generating leads, booking jobs. That's the goal.
Exactly. From just being there to actually doing something with it. Think about it. For roofers specifically, your ideal customer, maybe their roof is getting old, maybe a storm just blew through, they're scrolling their feed, and bam, there's your ad. For your service, that's not luck. That's targeted marketing, precision.
That precision part is absolutely crucial. Facebook has, a ton of data. You can go beyond just age and location. You can target homeowners using property data, maybe hinting at roof age, like you said, or even target specific zip codes hit by, recent hail or wind.
Wow.
And you can also upload your own customer list, create what they call lookalike audiences.
So finding new people who look like your best existing customers.
Exactly. It's like using a laser, not a floodlight. Much more efficient.
Okay, so it's about getting the right eyes on your ad, not just any eyes. Makes sense. So you've got the targeting dialed in. What about the ad itself? Because just like boosting a post probably isn't going to cut it for a roofing job, right?
Oh, absolutely not. You're selling a high-value, high-trust service. You need to connect emotionally. Think about what a homeowner really wants. Security, right? Peace of mind, curb appeal. Your ad copy needs to hit those points. Ask a question maybe, like, is your roof ready for storm season?
Right, tap into that concern.
And visually, you need strong visuals. Before and after shots are powerful for roofing, or maybe a really compelling drone video of a finished job versus, the old worn-out roof. Stuff that grabs attention and shows quality.
That makes total sense. Quality visuals for quality work. But let's be real, managing all that, the targeting, the ad design, the copywriting, then watching the campaigns, it sounds like a lot, almost like a full-time job on its own, especially for a busy roofing contractor.
It definitely can be, and that's honestly where using an integrated system really shines. Many roofers are finding success with specialized marketing platforms, systems designed for service industries like roofing, something like Marketing 360, for instance. It's built with this kind of business in mind.
Okay, so it's not just about Facebook ads then. It brings other things together.
Exactly. It integrates everything. Ad creation, yes, but also lead capture forms, maybe even CRM features to manage those leads all in one spot.
Right, so no more jumping between 5 different tools, a single dashboard. What's the biggest win there for a roofer, you think, using it all in one system?
I'd say efficiency, number one. Less time fighting with software, more time on roofing. And the insights. When it's all connected, you see the whole picture from that first Facebook click all the way to the final book job.
Yeah.
You see what's really working.
So you know where your marketing dollars are actually paying off. Better ROI.
Precisely. You understand your funnel from top to bottom.
Okay, so the big takeaway here seems pretty clear. Facebook isn't just, for vacation photos. It's a serious marketing engine if you use it right.
Yeah.
It can deliver genuinely good leads for roofers.
Absolutely. When you get strategic, maybe use tools built for the job. You're not just throwing ads out there. You're building a pathway, a predictable way to turn those homeowner scrolls into actual book jobs, more revenue. It's how you start to really lead in your local area.
So the question for you listening is, what's your next step? How are you going to take your Facebook strategy and, elevate your roofing business? Something to think about. That's our deep dive for today. Thanks for joining us, and keep building smarter.